Jai Shri Mataji. This live is about Shashti Devi. She's the wife of Shri Kartikeya, and she is the protector of all the children in the world. ये लाइव षष्ठी देवी के बारे में है, जो राइट मूलाधार में श्री कार्तिकेय की पत्नी है और बालकों की अधिष्ठात्री देवी हैं। वो बच्चों की देखभाल करती हैं। एट द 6th day of the birth of the child, षष्ठी पूजन इज डन। षष्ठी पूजा बच्चे के जन्म के 6ठे दिन करते हैं और इसका विधान भारत में बहुत ज़्यादा है। ठीक है, इनमें षष्ठी देवी को बालादा भी कहते हैं और वो बच्चों के बारे में है। ये देवी भागवतम से मैंने लिया है। देवी भागवतम वो किताब है जो श्री माता जी ने पढ़ने के लिए दी थी। नाउ आई एम रीडिंग फ्रॉम देवी भागवतम, अ बुक प्रिस्क्राइब्ड टू रीड बाय श्री माता जी हरसेल्फ। षष्ठांश प्रकृतेर्या च सा च षष्ठी प्रकीर्तिता बालकानाम अधिष्ठात्री विष्णु माया च बालदा। मूल प्रकृति के 6ठे अंश से देवी आविर्भूत है, उन्हें षष्ठी कहा गया है। ये बालकों की अधिष्ठात्री देवी, इन्हें विष्णु माया और बालदा भी कहा जाता है। नाउ व्हाट डू यू गेट? 2 names of षष्ठी देवी, श्री विष्णु माया एंड बालदा। हाउ विल यू यूज देम? ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री षष्ठी देवी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री विष्णु माया साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री बालदा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ये मातृकाओं में देवसेना नाम से प्रसिद्ध हैं। अगला नाम हमें क्या मिला? देवसेना। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री देवसेना साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। उसके बाद उत्तम व्रत का पालन करने वाली तथा साध्वी, ये भगवती षष्ठी के स्वामी कार्तिकेय की भार्या हैं। उन्हें प्राणों से भी अधिक प्रिय। ये बालकों को आयु प्रदान करने वाली। नाउ इफ यू वाइब्रेट योर किड विथ षष्ठी देवी साक्षात, दे विल हैव अ लॉन्गर लाइफ। उनका भरण पोषण करने वाली, टू नर्चर देम properly, you give them this, and उनका रक्षण करने वाली, so to protect. So 3 things, they are given longer life by Shashti Devi, they are taken care of by Shashti Devi, and they are protected by Shashti Devi. ये सिद्धि योगिनी देवी. Now I get a name here. ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री सिद्धि योगिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। कार्तिकेय की भार्या है, तो यहाँ पर स्कंद भार्या इज द सुव्रता। तो वी गेट 2 names। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री स्कंद भार्या साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री सुव्रता साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री साध्वी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। So just by reading this text, we are getting some names of Shashti Devi. I'll underline. Shashti Devi is one name. Shashtanch Prakraterya. Okay, this is one name. And then Balakanam Adhishthatri. Second. 1, 2, 3. Vishnu Maya Balada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 names here. Devasena 6. Sadhvi 7. Skandabharya 8. Suvrata 9. Okay? उसके बाद फिर सिद्ध योगिनी शिशु पार्श्वस्था. But this depicts that she constantly resides beside the चाइल्ड। ये सिद्धि योगिनी देवी अपने योग के प्रभाव से शिशुओं के पास निरंतर विराजमान रहती हैं। शी ऑलवेज स्टेज बाय द साइड ऑफ द चाइल्ड। अ deity who is given a form by Shri Mataji to protect the children specially. So you take the name of Shashti. तस्या पूजा विधिम ब्रह्मनिहासमिदं शृणुं त्रच्युतं धर्मवक्त्रेण सुखदं पुत्रदं परम। उन षष्ठी देवी की पूजा विधि तथा इतिहास भी सुनिए जिसे धर्मदेव के मुख से मैंने सुना। यह आख्यान पुत्र तथा परम सुख प्रदान करने वाला। नाउ दिस टेल्स मी दैट इफ यू वांट अ चाइल्ड you also worship her. When you worship her, you get children. So she is a very important deity residing in right Mooladhar along with her husband Kartikeya. षष्ठी देवी पुत्रदा भी हैं, मतलब पुत्रों भी देती हैं, परम सुख भी देती हैं क्योंकि बच्चों की देखभाल होती है। राइट मूलाधार में ये अपने पति श्री कार्तिकेय के साथ विराजमान हैं। इनको वहाँ पर पूजिए। देवसेना भी इनका एक नाम है। नाउ ये षष्ठी देवी का वर्णन है श्लोक 16 से 19 तक का। नाउ दिस इज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ श्री षष्ठी देवी। उन्होंने शुद्ध स्फटिक मणि के समान प्रकाशमान बहुमूल्य रत्नों से निर्मित, तेज से निरंतर दैदीप्यमान रेशमी वस्त्र से सुशोभित, अनेक प्रकार की अद्भुत चित्रों से विभूषित, पुष्प तथा मालाओं से सुसज्जित एक विमान देखा। दिस इज द एयरप्लेन ऑफ श्री षष्ठी देवी। साथ ही उन्होंने विमान में कमनीय मनोहर श्वेत चंपा के वर्ण के समान आभा वाली, सदा स्थायी रहने वाले, तारुण्य से संपन्न, मंद मंद मुस्कान से युक्त, प्रसन्न मुखमंडल वाली, रत्न निर्मल आभूषण से अलंकृत, कृपा की साक्षात मूर्ति, योग सिद्ध और भक्त जनों पर अनुग्रह करने वाली, परम आतुर प्रतीत होने वाली देवी को भी देखा। Now how is she? The aura of Shashti Devi is, she is very delicate, very beautiful. She has a color of white lily, and that is also her aura. She is stable, and you could say balanced. She's balanced and she's always young. She doesn't ages. She has a smile on her face and a bright face which is always happy, and she has studded jewelry which she's wearing, and she is idol of compassion, and she yoga siddha. That means she is very much in meditative mood, and she is eager to bless her worshipper. Okay. Kamaniyam Manoharam. So we get a name Kamaniya, Manohar, Shwet Champak Varnabham, Shashwat Susthir Yovanam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 names we get from here. Okay. Now she also fought with वे देवी प्राचीन काल में दैत्यों द्वारा पीड़ित देवताओं की सेना बनी थी। उन्होंने विजय प्रदान की थी, इसलिए उनका नाम देवसेना है। ठीक है। श्रुत्वा जन्म मंगल चंडिका, ये उनका एक और नाम है, जन्म मंगल चंडिका। एक नाम है ग्रीष्म सूर्य समप्रभाम, गर्मी के सूर्य के द्वारा के जैसे आभा वाली। शी हैज़ ऑरा लाइक अ हीटेड सन इन समर। तेजसाम, ज्वलिताम, शांताम, कांताम, स्कंदस्य प्रिया, कार्तिकेय प्रिया, स्कंद प्रिया, ये भी उनके नाम हैं। सुव्रते एक उनका नाम है। वरारोहे यहाँ पर एक और नाम लेना, ठीक है। उसके बाद ये है देवानाम दैत्य ग्रस्ता नाम पुरा सेना बभूवसा जयम ददोसा तेभ्यश्च देवसेना च तेन सा शी गेव विक्ट्री। तो अभी अगर आपके सामने कोई भी बहुत दारुण लक्ष्य है जिसके लिए आपको देवताओं की सेना की सहायता लेनी है, तो भी आप इन देवी की आराधना करेंगे। You will worship Shri Shashti Devi if you are on a mission and you want the help of entire divine army. Then you will worship Shri Shashti Devi on your right Mooladhara. Now these are the mantras that please her. Brahmano Manasi Kanya Devasena Maheshwari Srashtva Tam Manasa Data Dado Skandas ये भूमि पर मात्रकासु च विख्याता स्कंद भार्या च सुव्रता विश्वे षष्ठीति विख्याता षष्ठाम शाम प्रकृते परा अपुत्राय पुत्रदाहम प्रियदात्री प्रियाय च धनदाहम दरिद्रेभ्य कर्मेभ्यश्च सर्वकामदा सुखम दुखम भयम शोको हर्षो मंगलमेव च संपत्तिश्च विपत्तिश्च सर्व भवति कर्मणा। तो शी इज टेलिंग अबाउट हरसेल्फ, मैं ब्रह्मा की मानसी कन्या हूँ। शी इज बोर्न बाय द ऑरा ऑफ श्री ब्रह्मा। मैं सब पर कृपा करने वाली देवसेना के नाम से विख्यात हूँ। आई एम फेमस एज देवसेना। विधाता ने अपने मन से मेरी सृष्टि करके स्वामी कार्तिकेय को सौंप दिया। द हस्बैंड इज श्री कार्तिकेय। मातृकाओं में विख्यात मैं स्वामी कार्तिकेय की पतिव्रता भर्या हूँ। सो हियर वी गेट अ नेम पतिव्रता ऑल्सो। उनकी शी इज द डिवोटेड वाइफ। नाउ दिस डिवोट वाइफ, इफ women are finding problem in their marriages, she can also take the help of Shri Shashti Devi because she is armed devoted wife. So the obstacle in marriage will be also eradicated by Shri Mataji Shashti Swarupa. मैं विश्व में षष्ठी नाम से प्रख्यात हूँ। मैं पुत्रहीन को पुत्र, those who don't have children I give them children. पति, I give beautiful wife to the husband. I give money to the poor, and those who don't have good karmas or the when you are working for some target and you are not achieving it, then karma phal, good deeds are blessed and accordingly fate is given by Shri Shashti Devi. Okay, and she is also known as Karmana because she gives you the effect, desired effect of your good deeds. Here she is explaining karmana bahuputrascha vanshahina swakarmana karmana mritapushtascha putrascha karmana chiranjeevanaha. That your work makes you have many kids. Maybe you will have no kid to take your bloodline forward, and maybe you will have a dead child born to you. It's also an effect of the karma. And maybe you have a long living child. It's all depending on karmana gunavancha vansha chaiva karmana chankaheenakah karmana bahubharyascha bharyahina karmana. Everything is according to your work. Karmana रूपवार्धमी रोगी शश्वत स्वकर्मणा कर्मणा च भवेद्यापि कर्मणा आरोग्यमेव च. It depends how you are suffering or how you are blessed. Everything is given is according to the deeds. It is written and it is very important for सहज yogis to know. आप अपने कर्म के अनुसार ही अपने भाग्य का निर्माण करते हैं। ये सहज योगियों के लिए जानना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा मति भ्रम है कि आप कुछ भी कर लीजिए, जस्ट आपको रियलाइजेशन मिल गया एंड एवरीथिंग इज गुड. दिस इज वाई श्री माता जी वांटेड अस टू रीड दैट वॉट एवर डीड्स यू डू विल बी पेइंग अप. It is not that you got your self-realization and everything is written off. Till the point of self-realization, your work was, deeds were written off. But after it, if you continue doing mistakes, it will not be written off. As we give the example of Ravan, he was a self-realized person, and he gave us the beautiful text on Shiv Puja. And he was such a good, devout follower or worshipper of Shiva that he could go and meet him on Kailash Parvat. But still, he behaved in an inappropriate manner and he was killed. So do not have super confidence like many in the book that I have taken baptism, so I'll be ascending to heaven. There is no such thing promised by Shri Mataji. Everything is dependent upon how you perform. Now, Shashti Devi, Shri Mataji as Shashti Devi is telling what you will be getting when you pray. मैं तुम्हारे कुल को कमल स्वरूप मनोहर पुत्र प्रदान करूंगी. You will get a child bearing your name. सुव्रत नाम से, and here is she is telling the details. And now, beautiful thing here is Raja Chakara Swikaram Purchartha Cha Priyavrata Chakara. Cham Bij mantra come here as well, because when he said Cham, he accepted the blessing of Shri Mataji as Shashti Devi, and then he got the son he desired. Now, Prati Mashesu Shuklam Shashthyam Mahotsavam. How do you bless your children? Every month on Shukla Paksha, that means the first half when the moon is growing in the size. Shukla Paksha, Prati Mas, every month in the period when moon is growing in the size, and 6th day of the Shukla Paksha. Shukla Paksha की छठी तिथि को हर मास में we should षष्ठी देवी की पूजा करनी चाहिए, जिससे हमको और बच्चों को उस दिन आशीर्वाद देना चाहिए. This is by now बीज संपुट मंत्र. The small mantra is Om Hreem Shashti Devyai Swaha. Is the small mantra you should train your kids to take so that they are blessed forever. Now this is the verse mantras for her. Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Siddhyai Shantyai Namo Namaha Shubhaye Devasenaye Shashte Devyai Namo Namaha Varadayai Putradayai Dhanadayai Namo Namaha Sukhadayai Mokshadayai Shashte Devyai Namo Namaha Shashtyai षष्ठांशरूपाय सिद्ध्यै च नमो नमः मायायै सिद्धयोगिने षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः सारायै शारदायै च परादेव्यै नमो नमः बालाधिष्ठात्र देव्यै च षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः कल्याणदायै कल्याण्यै फलदायै च कर्मणा प्रत्यक्षायै स्वभक्तानां षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः पूज्यायै स्कंदकांतायै सर्वेषां सर्वकर्मसु देवरक्षणकारिण्ये षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः शुद्ध सत्व स्वरूपाय वंदिताय नृणां सदा हिंसा क्रोध वर्जितायै षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः धनं देहि प्रियां देहि पुत्रं देहि सुरेश्वरी मानं देहि जयं देहि द्विषो जाहि महेश्वरी धर्मं देहि यशो देहि षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः देहि भूमिं प्रजां देहि विद्यां देहि सुपूजिते कल्याणं च जयं देहि षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. These are the mantras to please Shashti Devi. Another is given in a different book, Brahma Vaivarta Mahapurane. In this Puran, same नमो देवे महादेवे सिद्ध्यै शांत्यै नमो नमः शुभायै देवसेनायै षष्ठी देव्यै नमो नमः. Same is also given in the other one, and after this particular para they are like what is the effect. Till this point same we have read. So from two sources I get the same puja. Okay, Bija Mantra Sham we have done in the morning. Sham, Sham, Shim, Shim. This was the practice we have done in the morning. So I'll be posting it all in the group. Please take it. Ask your children to memorize it and do it. They will not only bless themselves, bless also the world. Any questions? I'm ready to take. G-Man has written, please slow down. Let me know what you want to understand. I'll explain it again. It will be a pleasure. I'm sorry, I read your comment a little late. So no question. Thank you. I end this session. I have told as much as I can. Now what I'll do, I'll text the content, the names of Shri Mataji as Shashti Devi in the group, the puja, the mantra is in the group, and I'll also record and give it. Please listen to them morning, evening, and ask your children to listen to them. An is for Ambika, Ing is for Shri Vishnu Maya. लेफ्ट शोल्डर पे आता है, लेफ्ट का बीज मंत्र है. Name of the book is Devi Bhagavatam, prescribed by Shri Mataji. Devi Bhagavatam Mahapuran. Shri Mataji has asked, I'll be doing the sessions from this book as well, because it is very necessary. All the cases are given, and maximum cases are given, I'll say, and there how the worshipping should be done. Okay, so we will give it. We'll do recitations from this book. It has two parts. Pratham Khand, as you know, it is second part I am taking, especially for children, and then I'll be taking first and all that. So we'll be doing a reading, we'll be getting blessed, and also if somebody needs a particular prayer for her life or his life, he'll be able to get. Okay. Can you also give root background of all the explanation used with Sham? Root background is the Sham Bij Mantra itself in the right Muladhar, like you have given for E. Sham Bij Mantra के ये तो बहुत जगह दिया हुआ है. Muladhar has Sham Bij Mantra, and it's on the right side. It is the Bija of Shri Kartikeya and Shashti Devi alike. About details of Shashti Devi is given here. Wow, 1898 is that. How old is the book? 1898 is the book number. Book itself, the knowledge itself is 1,000-year old and many thousand years old. So I cannot particularly say 1898 is the number of the book. The knowledge is not just 100-year old. No, it goes much beyond that. These Puranas were written at the time of Mahabharata by Sri Vedavyas. And it is said, as per today, 7,500 years back, the Mahabharata war happened. And that was the time that nobody used to attack on children. There have been many amplified attacks on the children, and they have brutalities the kids face. This is why I have taken this session, when this whole knowledge came into my attention, that we should provide not only our children, but the children of the world how to prevent them through mantras and increase their energy and have the deity, please the deity who is protecting them. I will take Rishabh Bhaiya. I'll take it again, but it has been given many times. Each and every deity is being explained. Now, as I was turning in this book, see, it is Bhoot Shuddhi. लम बीज से अंकित पृथ्वी मंडल की कल्पना करें. नाउ द पृथ्वी मंडल, that means earth element is purified by lam. Simple. घुटनों से नाभि तक का भाग अर्धचंद्र तुल्य आकृति वाले 2 वर्णों से युक्त वम बीज मंत्र से करें. Now what do you get? Not only it is vam, but अर्धचंद्राकार आकृति वाले. Now this is one petal and this is another. These is अर्धचंद्र तुल्य आकृति वाले 2 कमलों से युक्त शुक्ल वर्ण में वम बीज मंत्र से अंकित जल मंडल. नाउ दिस इज फॉर वरुण एंड वाटर. सी, देन यू, दिस इज द बीज मंत्र ऑफ वाटर. So this is how you take out. This is a prescribed book by Shri Mataji. It was in many. You should be reading it. Just by 2. So knowledge is vast. If you want to remember them, retain it. It's another case. See, it is this thick book. Okay, and there are 2 parts, and there are many books. So we have to use it collectively. Now give me in groups if you want to do it today. Shashti Devi Aradhana. I'll take a separate live when we do this Aradhana. Okay, and give the bandhan to the world to protect all the children, so that, and we will do it regularly till the time we achieve our goal. Okay, just give me the time when we can do it. So I'm ending this session. Thank you for watching. Do you get an English version? Yes, you will get an English version by this Geeta Press Gorakhpur is the publisher, and you might get an online PDF as well. And if you can read Sanskrit in English script, good for you. Please go ahead. But when I go through this, more than English, the Sanskrit helps me, because at times translation is not up to the mark. So, and when I am praying to Shri Shashti Devi, I will use the Sanskrit mantras, because this is how Shri Kundalini has written it in my being. So it helps me in the Kundalini awakening. It gives me better power. It is the language of the deities. So I would prefer Sanskrit. And it will be good if you can get this in English and read it from read Sanskrit from English. It will be very good. Okay. So thank you everyone. Jai Shri Mataji.